Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the camcorder and cueing the tape to the desired start point. Connect the camcorder to the PC with FireWire if available, otherwise use a high-quality USB capture dongle. Install and open capture software, Windows Movie Maker, OBS, or vendor tools so the system recognizes the input. Once detected, set capture format to DVAVI or high-quality MP4 and choose a destination drive with enough free space, preferably an external SSD to avoid dropped frames. With the camcorder running in VTR or playback mode, select the capture device and DV format in your software. Adjust settings, choose a lossless or high bitrate codec to preserve quality, make sure frame rate and aspect ratio match the tape, 16:9 or 4:3. Hit record in the software, then press play on the camcorder, monitor audio levels and the preview window to catch sync or dropouts early. Once capture completes, stop both devices and verify file integrity. After capture, make a backup copy of the raw DV file before editing, because DV is edit-friendly and preserves detail. Transcode to a working codec if needed, perform trims, color correction, and audio cleanup, then export to your final format. If you encounter issues, frozen frames, no device detected, or stuttering, first verify FireWire/USB cables, reinstall drivers, and confirm the destination drive has sustained write speed. Replace the capture device or try another PC if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.